As an accounting software expert, one question I frequently encounter from aspiring entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even students learning about financial tools is, how many users does FreshBooks have? It's a natural curiosity, as a large user base often signals a reputable and effective product. While precise, real-time figures can be tricky to pin down for any private company, we can certainly examine the available information and understand the impressive reach of FreshBooks in the accounting software landscape. A focus on small businesses and freelancers. Before we delve into numbers, it's crucial to understand FreshBooks' core audience. Unlike some accounting behemoths designed for large corporations with complex financial structures, FreshBooks has always positioned itself as the go-to solution for small business owners, self-employed individuals, and freelancers. Its features are specifically tailored to simplify invoicing, expense tracking, time management, and basic financial reporting, the everyday accounting tasks that often overwhelm solo entrepreneurs and small teams. This targeted approach has been a key to its success. The over 30 million people figure. What it means. If you visit FreshBooks About Us page or read various articles about the company, you'll consistently come across a striking figure. Over 30 million people have used FreshBooks. This is a significant number, and it speaks volumes about the software's widespread adoption. However, it's important to interpret this figure correctly. When FreshBooks states 30 million people have used their software, it generally refers to the total number of individuals who have interacted with FreshBooks in some capacity. This could include active paying subscribers, businesses and individuals who currently have a paid subscription to FreshBooks, past users, those who may have used FreshBooks for a period but are no longer active subscribers. Perhaps their business needs changed, or they transitioned to another solution. Clients of FreshBooks users. For instance, if a freelancer uses FreshBooks to send an invoice to their client, that client has used FreshBooks to view and potentially pay the invoice. While they aren't directly FreshBooks subscribers, they are part of the broader ecosystem of interaction. Trial users. Individuals who signed up for a free trial to explore the software's capabilities. So, while over 30 million doesn't necessarily mean 30 million active paying subscriptions right now, it clearly indicates a vast global footprint and a product that has been accessed and utilized by a massive number of people involved in small business operations across various countries. Peeking behind the numbers, paying customers. While the 30 million users figure is impressive for demonstrating reach, finance and accounting professionals often look for the number of paying customers or subscribers as a stronger indicator of a software's current market penetration and revenue base. Reports from some industry analysts suggest that out of the over 30 million people who have used FreshBooks, a significant portion, in the realm of 3 million, are active paying customers. This distinction is crucial for understanding the core user base that consistently relies on FreshBooks for their ongoing accounting needs. 3 million active, paying customers is an exceptionally strong number for a software company specializing in the small business and freelancer market. It reflects a loyal customer base that finds significant value in the FreshBooks platform. Global reach, more than just numbers. Beyond the raw count of users, FreshBooks boasts an impressive global presence. Their website proudly states that businesses in over 160 countries have used FreshBooks. This international adoption highlights the software's adaptability and appeal across diverse regulatory environments and business practices. For anyone conducting business globally or looking for a solution that supports multiple currencies and tax considerations, FreshBooks' international footprint is a significant advantage. Why do so many businesses choose FreshBooks? The large user base of FreshBooks isn't just a random occurrence. It's a testament to its design philosophy and features that resonate strongly with its target audience. As an accounting software expert, I've observed several key reasons for its popularity. Simplicity and ease of use. This is perhaps the biggest draw. FreshBooks is renowned for its intuitive interface, making it accessible even for those with no prior accounting experience. Small business owners often wear many hats, and they need tools that are quick to learn and easy to navigate. Robust invoicing capabilities. Invoicing is at the heart of FreshBooks. It offers professional-looking invoice templates, recurring invoices, late payment reminders, and online payment options, streamlining the cash flow process for service-based businesses. Time tracking integration. For freelancers and consultants, accurately tracking billable hours is critical. FreshBooks integrated time tracking allows users to easily log hours and convert them directly into invoices, ensuring no billable time is missed. Expense management. Keeping track of business expenses is vital for tax purposes and financial health. FreshBooks makes it simple to categorize and log expenses, even allowing users to snap photos of receipts with their mobile app. Focus on client relationships. The software is designed with clients in mind, offering client portals where they can view invoices, make payments, and communicate with their service providers. This fosters better client relationships.